Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about COALESCE function. So here you can see this is our AdventureWorks database. So from there I took a table called person. So here you can see we have first name, middle name and last name. So I want the output should be like this. If here you can see in the middle name there are many null values, blank values, that means null. Okay, so I want if there is any null value it should take the last name. Okay, and if there is any middle name then it should be concatenate with it. Like here you can see Aaron E Baker, so there is middle name E, so that's why the result should be Aaron E Baker. So here you can see Aaron Barnett. So in Aaron Barnett there is no middle name, so it should concatenate with first name and last name. So if we do it in SQL, so here you can see what I have done. So select first name, middle name and last name. So from first name I am concatenating first this one blank value space, then after first name there should be a space, then I am concatenating with COALESCE function. So what COALESCE function will do? COALESCE function takes the first not null value from a list. So if there is, it means if there is any middle name, put the middle name unless put a space. That means here you can see pillar. So pillar, after pillar there is no middle name, there is null. That's why it took pillar Ackman. Okay, and put a space in there. So like this, after that I am concatenating with plus, then another space, then last name from the person table. So that is the concept about COALESCE function. It takes the first not null value. So at the same thing if I can do it in DAX, so I am searching like full name. So what I have done here, so from the person table it is taking first name, but from the concatenating thing I am taking and person. Okay, so concatenating first one space, after first name there will be a space, then COALESCE function. So if there is any middle name, put the middle name unless put a space. So after that again concatenating with a space, then last name. So if we run this, here you can see first name, if there is any space put the last name, if there is any middle name put the middle name also. Okay, so this is the concept about COALESCE function in DAX and SQL. So I think this video was informative. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you learn to DAX, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.